Hi guys, I'm Milena,
Lola.
and we're watching The 100.
Which is very obvious considering the title of this video.
Yeah.
Octavia almost died, which was great.
Okay, my only wish is for Bellamy to find out. Please.
Oh god. Yeah, also... the writers kind of tweeted our reaction, which was just... we were very cool about it. I definitely did not call her at midnight and I was screaming on the phone. I was literally screaming on the phone. And I wouldn't tell her what it was about. I was just like, open Twitter! Yeah.
Okay guys,
Let's just play the episode.
And don't make Bellamy cry in this episode, please.
Tell me.
Oh.
Nah.
I need a new sample. Where's Luna?
Nah.
She's sleeping.
Raven. Huh?
Šta? What? Mora nešto umišlja. Pričaju se.
Ili...
Šta je, ili možda leti?
Što se smeješ, brate? Ovo nije normalno.
What the fuck?
But you hate molecular biology.
Da bi nešto. A beba! Krv!
Možemo li da prestanemo mučimo Raven?
Ovo stvarno nije u redu.
Molim vas.
Jebote se više. Zašto samo nju muče?
Neko, molim vas, umire devojka. Ilijan! Aww. Slatkica.
Kill her.
Always so serious.
Pa, radio.
She just stopped breathing. Okay, get her on the table.
O ne!
There's a stab wound in her head. She's soaked in blood. Okay, first things first.
Pogrešan Blake!
Pogrešan Blake.
Let's get us going. Octavia. Hey, stay with me. Where's Jaeger?
Oh god.
Take her, go.
Joj Bože, ona ovako sve prvo im prenosi poruku. O moj Bože.
A i da, Ilijan ne voli ovo.
Just go.
Slušaj, Ilijan
Just
ne...
don't look at it.
Jaha found the cargo truck 12 hours out. Beside of Bellamy or Stevens. I have to speak to Ron. Something happened. Some sort of misunderstanding.
Pogle ovu devojku stoji ispred vojske.
And now I'm getting Lama.
Yes, they
Yeah,
were.
they were.
It would be like Octavia done kick through us.
Yes, she did. Well.
Ha? Ha?
Ali Ron ima tajno oružje.
Ja?
Lead Hanande in.
O ne. O ne. O ne.
You'll move on it.
Ovo vidimo su za očima.
Vidimo suzu u očima.
Mogu mi Kejra da pogledaš.
Zašto mi...
2 minutes. That's all I ask.
You're shot when they came in.
I sad ću postići.
We'll be involved.
Pomerite još šat.
Ok, neka je neko spreči,
Jebote, ko
brate.
ti?
Riley Maxe.
Stand down. Right now.
Neka neko ne bode, jebote.
Monty pucaj!
This is insane. They knew you were coming. We have thousands of
Vidimo na
rounds.
očima.
You'll be the ones with no one left.
Then let's hope no one shoots.
Check.
Listen, you thought they had the element of surprise. But we did.
normalno oči.
Someone warned them.
On ima razne oči.
Octavia. She's alive.
Je nazađivo. Srce moje. Sve moje. Irija.
Man brought you. Trishana Crew. Lucky if he hadn't have found you.
Irija. Ode
What are you doing?
Che capia vidi non verujete, ali.
Neko,
Smo ste
koga-
pustili
koga
Groundera da se
pušta?
šeta po... I on će sve da uništi.
Nemojmo,
Srce moje će sve da
Ilijane.
uništi.
Ilijane, razumijem tvoju ono...
Viš šta je, koliko bi će zapaliti sve, šta on hoće?
A ne znam, ovo vodi ili ovo šta?
Pa
Benzin.
benzin nije voda, što bi nosio.
Pa da mi si zapali Arcadiju, jem ti mater, šta? Majde bre, dečko, stvar, dubiša sve.
It's impossible on Earth. Annie said that Becca went to space looking for a more secure environment to get away from her, but I don't think that was the reason at all. I think she went to space to make lifeblood. Regan, how does it help us? It's not as though we can go back into space. Computer. Open interior blast and launch doors.
Čekaj. Ne!
Šta?
Ryan.
Ili ovaj mental.
You broke it.
I broke it.
Yes, kind
You
of.
nearly killed Octavia. You're holding Bellamy and our Chancellor hostage. You marched an army here to do what exactly?
Like you're making the next commander. Also a violation of our deal.
Koga boli džoka za komentar?
The flame is gone.
Tell them to open fire.
We have more bullets than you have men.
Bukvalno.
You'll lose.
Maybe. We'll both take losses. Kane and Bellamy alone.
You think you can shake my resolve? I was willing to sacrifice my own mother to stop Allie.
And I was willing to sacrifice mine to help you. Anyway, Bear. Fight it is.
Wait,
What now?
Hajde, molim te.
what if we share it?
Ja.
Is Octavia alive?
Speak!
One of our people has moved out of formation. I have reason to believe he's trying to kill your king.
Why are you telling me this?
What do you think he's telling you?
Jo, brate.
So much for building trust.
Davije.
Allie warned you that the EMP would cause brain damage. Jasper was right. That's why no one else got an upgrade. What are you talking about? For everyone else, Clark pulled a master kill switch. It's like shutting down a program the right way. When the EMP fried my chip, it was more like cutting the power from the OS while the RAM was still full.
Kako Abby na glavu.
Part of Allie's code is still in my head. Can't do that, Abby.
No to me zajebati sada.
It never cost me my life. You have to let me go.
Prekinite. Šta?
They use the EMP on you too.
Because we both know that brain trauma can induce entirely different symptoms in different people.
Still, Abby. We have to scan your brain too.
I'll let you know if I have any headaches.
Jo, nemojte mi da predkazaje zabi, molim vas, skenirajte glavu odmah, neću vam Derika izgrisati.
I'm glad you'll get a chance to say goodbye to your sister before it comes. Unless we all die here today.
You had killed her. This chains would be around your neck.
It's like Green Eye used to say. War makes murderers of us all.
So tied, shut up, Conjus.
Ja daj, te ljudi, nemoj sjećaš sa drugi, evo te.
Also tied, shut up, Conjus.
Tako kao,
Letno nepotrebno.
da.
I'm done with this. Move or I'll kill you too.
Riley, stand down. Okay, I am begging you. Trust me when I tell you, if this turns into a massacre, never get out of your head.
Neću, sigurno.
Don't let it happen to you.
Pogledaj ću. Nešto se svi opšte
Ne znam, ali opet, brate, bilo je mnogo intenzivno.
Bellamy, are you okay?
No one died today. So what did we miss?
Nothing, sir.
Ili ja ne molim
Good
se.
night. Good night.
Okej. Stop. Stop! Oh, hvala.
You know,
Take it we're not at war. Not today.
whatever you do here,
Well,
we'll bring your family back.
No one needs to die. You should leave.
Please, the engine room is right below us. If it blows, you'll destroy the whole ship.
It's the idea.
You should.
Šta?
I was a prisoner on this ship. I hate this place. But now, we need it. If we can't crack Nightblood, we'll share Arcadia. Find a way for us to survive together.
Clarkina faca u promo, u traileru. Clarkina faca kad vidi ono, sećaš se kad smo rekli da će gledati Arcadiju ko gori. Šta? Neće to gledati sada, nije to sada.
Never understand.
Ne može, on će spaliti sve njih, bre.
No! It came from Arcadia.
Ja, ne, to je ona scena. To je ona scena, joj ne, Abi isto, ja ne. Ja ne, Abi isto.
Clark! How did you get here? Why didn't you tell me you were coming? Honey. You're running out of time, Mom.
Ne mogu.
Već kraj.
Milna, 2 nedelje za sljedeći epizod. 2 nedelje za sljedeći epizod.
Nema šanse šta da radimo. Kako to?
Šta ba? Ako neko će nam pošalje 6. epizodu pre vremena, bili smo jako zahvalne. Što nas jako emotivno kako se izgleda, kako gori.
Pa da.
Arcadia.
Da, ja isto.
Nekako je baš, gospode Bože.
Da, baš. Ja isto. Jedan se trenutno smo baš sve zadavili.
Da, mi Octavia.
Dobili smo više nego što smo očekivali. Ja nisam očekivala da će se sresti ovaj epizod. Ja sam očekivala sam da će na kraju se saznati da je živa. I ovaj Ilijan.
Ilijan. Ali to je ono, the next person who touches this man. I will shoot the next person who touches this man. Štiti Ilijana Kane.
Sti sigurno. Ali da nema manju. Uništiti se opravi.
Mislim, okej, njegovu samodbranu dečko ne zna da je kraj svijeta i on je zaslepljen mržnjom prema tehnologiji.
Ne glup.
Raven jebi. Koji kurac? Cool, nalazite vi rješenje za Nightblood, ali nalazite vi rješenje za vaš mozak.
Pa da, naravno, mi smo odmah pretpostavili da je to san, kako se reče da je san, evo.
Nemojte molim vas da mi jebi umre, nemojte molim vas da mi Raven
Neće.
nemojte molim vas.
Pa
Šta
neće.
neće, jesi ti gledala ovu seriju ikada? Mrzim kad je Bellamy u opasnosti, ali to najviše sve to volim.
Joj, kad izađe... Ne, nego moram staviti Bellamy Blake i sad će staviti ovo kao Bellamy Blake.
Ne, pa to ti kažem, kao ja sam mene ove scene se čini jako srećan kad je bila ta scena Start with Bellamy Blake, ja sam bila možda 5% zabrinuta i 95% samo DA!
Start with Bellamy Blake!
Arcadia je izgorela u 5. epizodi. Šta se dešava kasnije ako je Arcadia izgorela u 5. epizodi?
Da.
Imamo 13! A da će od njega žive, jebate? Da će da žive? Sljedeća epizoda. Toliko toga nas čeka u sljedećoj epizodi.
Joj, Bože, sačuvaj.
Toliko toga nas čeka u sljedećoj epizodi.
Joj, Bože, sačuvaj.
Ti što govoriš zbog Nyla ili Clark? Znamo spoilerove.
Da.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Bye.
We'll see you in 2 weeks!
Oh my god.
2 weeks!
Fucking weeks.
Okay, I'm gonna kill myself.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll see you.
2 weeks.
Bye guys.
Bye.